Welcome to Dementia Talk Behavior Tracker tutorial. In this feature, you can track behaviors by their frequency and intensity. The app will then generate for you an easy-to-read graph which will enable you to see if there is any pattern in a specific symptom or behavior, and to follow up on your progress in responding to this behavior over time. So let's go into the behavior tracker. The first step is to press the pencil button on the bottom right to choose a behavioral symptom that you want to track. So here you can see a list of common behavioral symptoms in dementia. If you're not sure what you mean, you can always press on the question mark icon to the right of the symptom to read more about it. So let's say we want to track agitation and irritability. So we choose agitation and irritability and we scroll down and you press start to start tracking. Then you choose the day and time that the behavior occurred. So let's say the behavior occurred yesterday. So we choose August 15 at 7:45 in the morning. And you can use this color scale to track its intensity based on how you experience it. So green would be for mild, orange would be for moderate, and red for high intensity. So let's say in this case, the intensity was moderate. So I'm going to choose the orange color by tapping on the scale in the middle. And then you press track it. So the tracking will feed into a graph. Let me show you where you can find the graph. So by pressing the arrow on the top left corner, we'll go back to the home page. And then if you can see in the right top corner, right next to the cogwheel icon, there is a graph icon. Press on that graph. Now I'm going to the username, which is Einat, and it says me. That means it says you. So you basically press on your username and you can now access the different graphs or the different behaviors that you've tracked. So let's say we want to see the agitation and irritability graph. We press agitation and irritability and there is our graph. For more information about the graph, watch our graph tutorial. Now sometimes tracking a symptom in the moment is hard. So in this app you can also set an alarm to a time of the day that is more convenient for you to remind yourself to track the behaviors. So let's go back to the home page and back to the behavior tracker. So if you notice on the right bottom, there is a little alarm clock icon right above the pencil icon. To set the alarm, go to that icon. And basically you can set the time and the day that you want to have to get the alarm. So let's say I have a lunch break every day. I want to get the alarm at 12:45, just towards the end of my lunch hour, and I want it to be daily. So I'm going to choose every day to get a daily alarm at 12:45, and I'm going to save. If you want, you can also decide to choose just a few days. So now my alarm is set for 12:45 p.m. on all those days, from Monday to Sunday. Now, if you are using a web-based version, please look for our web-based tutorial. Also, please note that on our web version, when using a computer, the alarm option is not available on that version. Thank you for using the Dementia Talk app.